Hey guys, welcome back to brightnighttech. My name is Berto and today we are looking at the TD310 microphone from TONOR. We're going to start with an unboxing and then take a look at what it can do. So let's get started. Alright, here is the box. Pretty plain looking box, but you know, it's what's inside that counts. Just like people or something. Anyways, yeah, pretty standard box. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. Alright, right away we have this bag right here, which I am assuming it is the microphone arm, which it is. Feels pretty good, nice and heavy. It's sturdy, does not feel cheap. Looks like that's where you put the microphone. Pretty cool. Alright, okay. Alright, let's just get straight to it. Let's look at the microphone and look at what we're dealing with. Alright, it's a little shorter, a little smaller than I thought it was going to be for this style of mic, but it is a very, very pretty mic. I love the color. You got the 3 buttons there. That is for the light and to mute, and then the up and down buttons for the volume. The metal on the top looks gorgeous. Alright, we'll take a look at that in just a second. What else is in here? It looks like a USB-C cable that will connect to your device of your choice. Awesome. Alright, and we have the microphone stand holder. That is where you put your microphone to put on the arm. We have a windshield to make sure you don't pop those peas. Alright, and we have the little vise base that goes for the arm. That's going to pop in there. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. Although, you know, pretty easy. You don't really need a lot of training there. Ooh, I really like that rubber part on the bottom. Looks like that's going to keep it from hurting your table. Alright, so you're going to take the base. The hole is right there. There's the stand. We're going to pop this in just like that. You have this knob right here that is going to tighten it. Just like that. Easy peasy. Okay, we have the vise here. This is what you do to tighten it or loosen it. I am going to go ahead and put it on this table like so. And we're going to spin it around to make sure that is secure. Alright, now that it is secure, wiggle it there. Looks good. We're going to go ahead and stretch it out. Okay, and we are going to go ahead and insert the mic. Alright, we're going to take the holder. It's very simple. Has the threads right there. You're just going to pop it in, spin it around until it's tightened. Alright, now that it's tightened, we're going to pop in the microphone just like this. Alright, you can adjust it. We have the knobs there to tighten and to loosen. And there you go. Just like that. Really, really easy to do. You can put it down like that. Whatever you want to do. It's up to you. Okay, something I just noticed from the USB is that it actually comes with a USB-C adapter. So it goes from USB-A to USB-C, and that is really handy. Okay, here's an example of what it looks like. I plugged it in. That is a pretty cool looking light. Here is in some low light. Took some light so you can kind of see that. Let's look at it in the dark. Now, I don't know when you would be using this in the dark, but it looks pretty rad. Alright, also, if you push the mute button, the light turns red to indicate that it is muted. Pretty cool feature. And here's the big surprise. The whole time I was doing the voiceover for this unboxing, I've been using the actual microphone, the TD310 microphone from TONOR, and as you can hear, it sounds amazing. Now, I have been using Audacity to clean it up a little bit, but what I want to do is show you guys what it sounds like with just the raw audio. I am in my garage. There's traffic right now. It's the middle of the morning, so there's a lot of ambient noise. So there's like a lot of cars going by. There's a little bit of humming probably from the lights, so you guys can get a real idea for what the microphone actually sounds like. So let's go ahead and check that out. This is the raw audio from the TD310 microphone from TONOR. This is the raw audio. So as you can hear, it sounds pretty good. You can still hear some ambient noise. There's a slight buzzing from the light in my garage, but it actually sounds really, really good. I'm really happy with it. And you only have to do a minor cleanup in whatever program you use. If I was using this for streaming or like a Zoom call or something or podcasting, I would absolutely use this. I'm really stoked about it. It is a beautiful mic. I do love the setup. I love this style of microphone, and I think they did a really, really good job. It feels really sturdy. It doesn't feel cheap or anything. Really excited about it. All right. So how much is this, and where can you get it? Well, you can get this on Amazon for $46.99, and they do have an array of colors to choose from. You can get the black one, like the one I have, white, or pink. So very low price for a starter microphone if you just want to try it out, if you're looking to get into podcasting, music, you want something on the lower end of price, but with a really, really good quality. I think this is definitely the way to go. So go ahead and check it out. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and put in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for notifications, and we will see you next time.